This is our garden park across from our town centre, and they are wood ducks, wild wood ducks. And that is a creek that runs through the middle of our town. Got a fountain in it. We have a big fish in it. Back to the ducks.